Question is, in a school, there are two sections A and B of class 10. There are 30 students in section A and 28 students in section B. Find the minimum number of books required for their class library so that they can distribute it equally among the students of section A or section B. Here, to distribute books equally among the students of section A has 30 students, or section B has 28 students. Hence, the total number of books is the common multiple of 30 and 28. Here the problem asks for the minimum number of books. That means which corresponds to the least common multiple, that is LCM of 30 and 28. That is, we need to find the LCM of the two numbers 30 and 28. 30 means 2, 15, that is 3, again 5. That's all. That is 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Again 28. 28 is 2, 14, 2, 7. 28 is 2 square into 7. Hence, LCM of 30, 28, which is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. That's equal to 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. It's equal to 20 into 21. It's equal to 420. 420. That is the minimum number of books required is 420 to distribute the classes. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video. Prepare well for the upcoming board examinations. Once again, thank you.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.